the writing of letter Alif. Actually, Alif is the name of the letter, because we have a big difference between the name of the letter and the sound. We have one name only of each letter. We have one name only, but more than 10 different sounds of each letter in Arabic. So the name of our letter today is Alif, and we will study the sound of this letter A. This shape. We will study this shape today. A. Letter A. This is the sound of this letter A. Yeah, we will start from this point to this point, and from this point to this point, then from this point to this point. Now we are going to talk about reading letter A, or the sound of this letter A. How can we read the sound of this letter? We have a big difference between the name of the letter and the sound of the letter. The name of this letter is Alif, but the sound of it is A. So we will not study the names of the letters, just we will know the names of the whole letters in Arabic, 28 or 29, but we will practice on the sounds, especially the sound with line on the top or with dash on the top. This dash is called fatha. This is an Arabic word. The last thing we will study today about this letter, the articulation point of the letter. What is the articulation point of this letter? Letter A, or the sound of this letter A, it comes from the bottom of the throat. So the sound of this letter A comes from the bottom of the throat.